Hi there and welcome. If you've not seen my previous video about the Dear Jumia, you can check it out here, or you can find the link in the description below. But basically, I was talking about how we needed a platform like Jumia to interface with an online e-commerce website like Amazon, so that we could buy items on Jumia and have them delivered to Ghana directly, where we only purchase the item and it comes directly to us. So right after finishing that video, posting it up, I got linked up by a friend who basically explained to me DHL has something of that sort in existence. I was like, okay, that's good news. I bought my first item using their eShop service for the first time in early this month. That is May 2nd. That was when I made my payment. Today I received my first package. This from DHL. Their delivery times is basically 15 working days. That's what they say, but trust me, it's shorter than that. It's even faster if the merchant you buy from delivers the item to DHL faster. If they get your item, they're able to bring it as quick as possible. Currently, I have 2 other items that are pending to be delivered, which I'm following and tracking, and the delay is coming from the Amazon vendor who is supposed to deliver the item to DHL so that they continue with the process. My first item, I've done an unboxing video. You can check also for the link in the description below and check it out, the how to clean your sensor with the APS-C cleansing kits. Check it out. You'll get to learn more about that if you have a mirrorless camera and you want to cleanse your lens. For all those who are wondering whether it's worth it or they would want to try this service, I think it's an amazing solution we currently have to the problem of trying to get items from Amazon or other big online platforms to ship to Ghana. Now, it works basically by you finding an item on Amazon, you add it to your cart, and then the DHL eShop platform picks your cart items up, calculates the total cost and everything involved. Then they add on top the import duty, the delivery, whatever tax, anything related to how to get your items into the country to check out and everything. They handle all that for you, total the price, and then you pay for that. Then they buy the items on whatever link you give them on whatever platform. They buy it, send it to their warehouses or wherever they sort things out, process it, and then deliver it to the destination country. Then you go to pick it up. It's a seamless end-to-end process that eliminates you going to customs or import duty, whatever calculations and all that. What happens is, for every item purchased, you pay 20% on the item. So if you bought an item for 100 cedis, you're going to pay somewhere like 20 extra cedis, which will include the import tax, the duty, the clearance, bringing it, delivering it to you, and all that. Like, all of that is included within that 20%. So this one, I had to go to the DHL vendor here in Koforia just to collect it myself. I even wanted to do that because it's quite simple and easier for me. So that is how the service currently works. DHL is not working alone. They are working with the More for Africa organization. It's a company that I think deals with these kind of delivery scenarios, and they have it other parts in Africa as well. Currently, the delivery service is amazing. No issues, no worries over there. Everything works perfectly. Here are, I wouldn't say concerns, but more like improvement that could happen with the current service so that we could have more items. Currently, for items purchased, I think they have a 30 centimeter cube restriction for the item you can buy in terms of the packaging or stuff like that, and I think they have a 1 kilogram weight limit. I hope sometime in the near future they can make provisions so that we can get bigger items. Sometimes the item itself is not big, but then the packaging and stuff related to it, for instance a laptop, itself might be a small form factor, but then the box and everything related to it might be big, and I don't know how they handle such packages at the moment. Hopefully there could be provisions for devices like that in the near future, so we can order laptops and stuff like that. Another thing is hopefully they get to support other websites, and you'll be like, what sites is left? Well, eBay. A friend of mine was talking about how he wants eBay to be supported, and I think it's a genuine concern to have eBay. Compared to Amazon, obviously Amazon is slightly bigger in terms of the scope of items, but eBay also offers that second-hand items and you know, deals and all that, which will be interesting to also see. The last improvement I'm hoping to see is the inclusion of other delivery points here in Ghana. I think this is already happening, but it should be updated on their website, because I am in Koforidua, but there is no option to select Koforidua in their form online. I had to add in the address myself and just pick Greater Accra region, which obviously isn't Greater Accra region. Hopefully their website is updated to reflect these additions and changes, and so that people in other parts can get to know that, oh, they can pick up their stuff at their nearest town or something of that sort. In all, I think this is a relief for individuals like myself who want to have their items purchased online on Amazon and have the item delivered to them seamlessly, so that they don't have to worry about anything. I am very excited about this initiative by DHL. I hope people patronize. I hope people get to use it, so that they don't end up canceling it. That is probably something that happened to the Orange eShop in South Africa. I don't know how many people were patronizing, but if that was the case, then if people are not using the service, there's no need to keep it running. But with this DHL is big enough, and I'm sure they're going to push through and get more people to use the service, and hopefully more people use it as well, so that we can enjoy good things like this. So that's been my experience so far with the DHL service and some of my thoughts related to it. I will definitely do another unboxing when the other packages come. I'm expecting a speed booster, and what else? Another thing, when they come, I'll definitely do an unboxing video and share them with you. So thanks for joining me in this one, and hope to talk to you in the next one.